western and central part of the district having the least dense forest cover is receiving less rainfall. On the other hand, eastern side of the district receives good amount of rainfall throughout the last 2 decades. This supports the fact that good precipitation in more vegetated zone. The analysis of the correlation between LST, NDVI and rainfall depicts that southeastern zone of study area was devoid of vegetation cover throughout last 2 decades, and this has a direct correlation with low precipitation in this zone and indirect relation with the LST. The other part of the study area also depict more or less similar correlation. More will be the vegetation, lesser will be the land surface temperature, and more will be the local precipitation. Feb, March and April has shown negative that we have discussed it. In general, high interseasonal variation in the rainfall shows that the entire region is vulnerable to drought and floods. This shows although overall increase in seasonal rainfall there, but cases of extreme events has also increased. These are some questions which was marked by the external examiner during the comment section.
Can you change the font color and
So when you
address around the questions?
Yes, I have.
yes, in the thesis this are address included.
So I have a few more questions like they can be asked after the time.
Okay.
फोटोसिंथेसिस का तो उसका स्पेक्ट्रम बैंड तो कौन से वेव बैंड पर सबसे ज़्यादा फोटोसिंथेसिस होता है?
सर वो एग्जैक्ट याद नहीं है, वो मशीन का जो ये हुआ शायद 4 करके होगा सर, ये देखना पड़ेगा।
कितने बजे ज़्यादा
White light का।
कितने बजे ज़्यादा होता है?
सर सबसे ज़्यादा तो होगा जब ओवरहेड सन कंडीशन होगा, यानी कि 12 से मतलब 11 से लेकर के 2 बजे के बीच में।
उस वक्त इंटेंसिटी फॉर द लाइट का कितना होना चाहिए?
ऑब्जर्वेशन का ड्यूरेशन क्या था?
ऑब्जर्वेशन 10 बजे से लेकर 3 बजे तक की।
वही होती है फोटोसिंथेसिस। क्या कभी उसमें देखा आपने ब्लू लाइट का क्या असर है?
नहीं सर, ये तो नहीं।
वो हैंड जो
वो सर वाइट लाइट से ही सर,
या ट्रांसलेशन रेट कैलकुलेट किया।
वाइट लाइट का ही सर इसमें नहीं कर सकते।
ये लाइट नहीं, वो सबसे ज़्यादा फोटोसिंथेसिस ब्लू लाइट का जो वेव बैंड होता है
सर।
वो इसका 450 नैनोमीटर होता है उसमें।
जी।
This part was I
हाँ,
think
ये उसमें ऑपरेशनल मैनुअल
So white light is indicator of is made of 3 bands, red, blue and green. Normally you will get that. So suppose radiating is there, then there is various bands, magnitude is there, nuance. In other area, the same magnitude. You are going for orbital, you are going for the species.
So this is my recommendation, sir. This is the 6 species which I have studied, and I have observed that from the mango tree, the maximum amount of translation is happening. So if we recommend to someone for the forestation in this particular area, if we plant more and more mango tree or some tree which is translating more, it will definitely be more helpful in maintaining the humidity and maintaining the or bringing back the convective rainfall in this particular area.
But for sustaining that, they require more water also.
Yes, sir.
For growing up the mango tree, you have to supply the water.
So they are in both in correlation, sir.
Yeah, you have to
More
see that.
transpiration will there, more water will come back.
दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। ये जो हमारा स्टेटमेंट है ना, फॉरेस्ट्री के लिए इसका ट्रांसमिशन ज़्यादा होगा, उस तरह की प्लांट को हम फॉरेस्ट्री रिकमेंड करेंगे। एट दैट टाइम मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे सर्च दैट व्हाट which we have planted those plants which require less water, because the rachi are coming in those areas which are the water shortage condition are arises. So that types of the plant which are transpire more and more, it not means that they have taking more and more water from the soil.
इसमें एक सबमिशन है सर
हाँ।
कि यदि ये मेरा ये जो स्टडी था सर,
ये फैक्टर डिसाइड नहीं करेगा कि इन फॉरेस्ट्री विच टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट वी हैव प्लांटेड।
जी जी सर,
ये ट्रांसपिरेशन वाला जो पार्ट है ये तुम्हारा एकदम पार्ट सही नहीं जाएगा, इसलिए नहीं जाएगा क्योंकि सेम टाइम तुमको ये भी देखना होगा कि उसकी कैनोपी कवर कितना ज़्यादा है, वो एनर्जी को रिड्यूस कितना कर रही है, हीटिंग को कितना रिड्यूस कर रही है, एवरीथिंग आर इंटररिलेटेड टू ईच अदर।
ट्रांसपिरेशन इज वन ऑफ द
इस
One
फैक्टर
factor.
पे मैंने बात किया सर, यदि ऐसा होता तो सर मान लीजिए यहाँ तो लेस जो वाटर ले रहे
अपने
हैं तो
अपने ऑब्जर्वेशन में तुमको ये बताना चाहिए था कि ट्रांसपिरेशन के साथ साथ उसका कैनोपी कवर ज़्यादा होता है, दैट्स व्हाई जो हीटिंग जो है अर्थ सरफेस की वो कम होगी।
जी सर।
तो हीटिंग अर्थ सरफेस की कम होगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो वाटर अवेलेबल है सॉइल में वो ज़्यादा समय तक रहेगा, ठीक। और जिसका कैनोपी कवर कम होगा और उसका ट्रांसपिरेशन ज़्यादा होगा, दैट टाइप ऑफ प्लांट वी हैव नेवर प्लांटेड, क्योंकि सनलाइट डायरेक्टली अर्थ सरफेस पे आएगी तो आपका एवरेज हीटिंग बढ़ेगा, एवरेज हीटिंग बढ़ेगा तो जो भी सॉइल मॉइस्चर सॉइल में होंगे वो इवोपरेट कर जाएंगे, ठीक है। हर चीज एक दूसरे से इंटररिलेटेड है। तो ये स्टेटमेंट जो तुम्हारा था वो थोड़ा सा
वो ट्रांसमिशन से पॉइंट
हाँ, ये point
एक
को
assumption को
लेकर
लेकर कर रहे हैं सर, ये
पॉइंट पर लेकर के
जी, जी,
तो
If you are planting a small mango tree, for growing
More
it
transpiration
require
will
require more water for growing. If you are planting a mango tree, you are proposing that it will increase the cover vegetation. Then you have to raise the crop of that mango tree. Then you have to supply water.
that has to be studied because this more transpiration is because of the stomatal area of that particular leaf. So
You have mentioned that LST maintains a strong negative relationship with NTVA for the whole of the study area. So what would be the result? Do you have any scientific evidence to support this statement?
ये इसमें लिटरेचर रिव्यू में डिस्कस किया है,
सर उसमें एडेड कुछ रेफरेंस डाला
बहुत सारा
So,
research है।
So apart from handheld photosynthesis measuring equipment, do we have any other device to go for transpiration rate? Evapotranspiration we can do with some empirical equations.
वो भी ये लैब में गार्ड ट्यूब करके आता था सर, उससे भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बहुत ये हो सकता है वो छोटे सैपलिंग्स के लिए वो कर सकते हैं, बड़े मैच्योर स्पीसीज के लिए
आपने एक देखा है पिक्चर सपोज मैंगो ट्री और एनी अदर ट्री इज देयर, हाउ मेनी लीव्स यू विल टेक?
सर फ्रॉम मैच्योरिटी मतलब आई यूज टू टेक फॉर द होल 6 months आई हैव टेकन द डेटा, the number of leaves are not counted
Randomly you
at
take
random.
one. So you have chosen 5 different types of tree species, no?
Which is abundant.
Assam, mango, moa, jamun, you know, using that C1340 method, photosynthesis method. Now, is there any specific reason to select these only 5? Because they are available and
They are abundant species available in this place.
So apart from this, what you can suggest other?
Sir,
Any new thing, any new species also you can suggest?
it may be studied, sir, but I have studied these 6 species only. The
Which are
study is
already
like
available.
which is available in this abundantly available in this particular area.
So in general, we use the thermal infrared and the hyperspectral remote sensing data to monitor transpiration rates more accurately. So in future, we can extend this study or to this technique to your study region. So what are the major comments of the other examiners? Yes,
references like that. So many references are missing than we have addressed.
some few corrections.
So,
That is a very nice and different study, just to know that. So the field dedicated one and I think this study, the public over publication also, so that may help in your area.
yes, he has published two research papers.
इसमें डाल दें।
इसमें डालना है, हाँ, because that is the final result.
This is what allows us.
So, right. Any other questions are there? Yes.
sir, it would have been more refined if the area distribution of all the tree species were known. The study only measures the tree species were taken into consideration. Some more species of the tree may be taken for more refined study also. The data was taken throughout the season. If it would give more perfect result if the measurement would have been taken only on the day on which the convectional rainfall has happened. And the updated and realistic rainfall data would have fetched more accurate rainfall map than TRMM satellite data.
At the starting, like some mentioning, because this is a convector rainfall.
So,
So morning, sunny day,
after
evening
the
you have
afternoon,
that
yes,
rainfall. So after the rainfall, it will be already, it is a late. Right.
जमीन लगा हो गया
रिसर्च स्कॉलर तो पूछ सकते हैं।
चलो बताइए इससे आना बंद हो गया तो डॉक्टर हो
हाँ?
सर थोड़ा कुछ बोला जा रहा है
हाँ, बोलो।
सर ये 2011 में जब मतलब उस समय बहुत छोटे थे उस समय नहीं मेरा एडमिशन यहाँ हुआ सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में यूजी कोर्स में